Okay, moment of truth. Finally worked up the courage to finally get around to doing the waterproof case of my Akaso V50X action camera. So here's the case. I measured it out and put a mark on the side. I put masking tape and then marked the hole that I should be drilling out of the side of the action camera case. Alright, let's see if I can do this without messing it up. My plan is to drill 2 holes and then widen it out using a bigger drill bit. I don't know if I have the right setting, but I've had it on the lowest setting of the hand drill, of the mini drill. Let's see if I can do it. Well, I've drilled 2 holes. Maybe I should drill 1 more. Nah, let's not risk it. Two holes on the side of the waterproof case. So far so good. Let's now change the drill bit for a bigger one. Again, you should be wearing protective wear when doing this. Don't do it my way. I'm just doing it stupid way because that's the only way I know how to do it. You should be wearing eye protection. I'm wearing one at the very least. And you should wear gloves. And if you have, you should put the camera case in a vise without somehow scratching it. Okay, so let's do this again and again until we have the hole size that we want and need. I think I should drill other holes as well. Let's drill 2 holes here. Okay, that's the plan. It's gonna take longer than I expected, but I'll just cut it in editing. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. We're making the hole bigger, slowly but surely. We're making the hole to the size that we want it to be. Once again, switching to the bigger drill bit. Oops, sorry about that. And I think we've done it, man. I think we've done it. There you go, man. There you go. There we go. Let me clean up for a bit, and then we'll see about how it looks inside when the camera is inside the case. And here we have the camera inside the case. There it is. Now the question is, there's the hole, there's the slot, the USB, the micro USB slot. Let's see if the microphone, the external microphone, will be able to fit. There we go. Let's see, let's see. It fits just inside, man. Yeah. All right, there you go. It's inside. Woohoo! Well, for now, it looks like it's a success. One step closer to using this as for my motovlog, man. All right. Let's remove the tape. And there you go. And tamang-tama lang yung size ng hole for the size of the microphone jack, USB jack. Alright. Looks good so far. Now the question is, tama lang ba yung fit so that the microphone works with the camera? I'll give it a test sometime later on, okay, some other time, but for now it's a success, man. Of course, you know, drilling a hole on the side of the waterproof case will defeat the purpose of the waterproof case, in the sense that it will no longer be waterproof. But I won't be using this camera for underwater or for when it rains. When it drizzles, suddenly drizzles, or a sudden downpour, this definitely will be able to protect the camera while I am using it. It will also protect the camera from, you know, wind damage, small particles of dust, and other debris hitting the camera. It will definitely protect the lens of the camera if it's inside the waterproof case as such, even if I have compromised the camera by drilling a hole on the side for the external microphone. In that sense, the protective case is doing its job. So yeah, very happy with the result. Alright.